Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about Texas Capital Bank. More specifically, I'm going to be talking to you about a few ways that you can order checks for your Texas Capital Bank account. So just a little bit of background first on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding on what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your Texas Capital Bank account number and routing number on it, such as a bank statement. First, you want to open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, or whatever other browser you choose. Whatever browser you normally use will be just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Texas Capital website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, texascapitalbank.com. You can also check out the description for the link to Texas Capital Bank. The first way to order checks is going to be by logging into your Texas Capital Bank account online. To do this, you're going to look for the login button, which is located towards the top on the right hand corner of the screen in red with white letters. You'll click on that, and that's going to bring this little drop down where you can enter your username. After you enter your username, you'll click on this little arrow, and then it'll prompt you to enter your password. Once you're logged in, go to banking options and then order online if available. Usually, banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Texas Capital Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your debit card, and that is probably going to be the easiest place to find this phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Texas Capital Bank website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comment section. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that is something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third way to order checks is going to be through third-party vendor websites. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Texas Capital Bank. I already have a tab open with this, and I've already entered into the search bar order replacement checks for Texas Capital Bank. What this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order checks. The first one that comes up for this search is Extra Value Checks, and that's just one example of many websites that you can use. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Texas Capital Bank account number and routing number. Unlike when you order from the Texas Capital website or through the customer service number, those numbers are not going to be automatically loaded, and so you'll have to provide them yourself. And you want to make sure to enter them exactly correct. That way, you don't have to worry about bounced checks or things like that due to an incorrect number. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information on Texas Capital Bank.